Internet computer value equivalent to $12.937 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $12.22, $12.19, 639. The earlier day close, $0.4877. The change was plus some 40.60, plus 3.25%. Converse rate, ICE to IP. Dollar to Internet Computer Gauge for May 2024. Before all else costed 101 coins. Excessive cost term 101, while lows on 81. The arrived at the midpoint of cost term 93. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.87, change for May 13.9%. As to IP expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 0.87 coins. Excessive costs on 87, while lows on 71. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 80. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.76, change for June 12.6%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for July 2024. Initially cost at 0.76 coins. Excessive costs are 76, while lows on 61. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 70. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.65, change for July 14.5%. US to IP expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.65 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 69, while lows earn 60. The found the middle value of cost earn 65. The US to IP estimate toward the month's ends earn 64, change for August 1.5%. Dollar to Internet Computer estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.64 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 66, while lows earn 58. The found the middle value of cost earn 63. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.62, change for September 3.1%. As to IP expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at 0.62 coins. Excessive costs earn 65, while lows earn 56. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.61. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.60, change for October 3.2%. Dollar to Internet Computer conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at 0.60 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 63, while lows earn 54. The found the middle value of cost 0.59. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.58, change for November 3.3%. US to IP expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at 0.58 coins. Exorbitant costs are 60, while lows earn 52. The found the middle value of cost 57. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.56, change for December 3.4%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for January 2025. Initially cost at 0.56 coins. Excessive costs are 56, while lows are 45. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 51. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.48, change for January 14%. US to IP expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at 0.48 coins. Exorbitant costs 51, while lows on 44. The found the middle value of cost on 48. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.47, change for February 2.1%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 0.47 coins. Excessive costs are 50, while lows are 44. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 47. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.47, change for spring 0%. US to IP expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at 0.47 coins. Excessive cost 0.47, while lows earn 38. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.43. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.40, change for April 14.9%. Dollar to Internet Computer conjecture for May 2025. Before all else cost at 0.40 coins. Excessive costs or 43, while lows earn 37. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.40. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 40, change for May 0%. As to IP expectation for June 2025. At the outset cost at 0.40 coins. Excessive cost 0.41, while lows earn 36. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 39. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 38, change for June 5%. Dollar to Internet Computer estimate for July 2025. To start with cost at 0.38 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.47, while lows in 38. The found the middle value of cost 42. The US to IP estimate toward the month's end 0.44, change for July 15.8%. US to IP expectation for August 2025. To start with cost at 0.44 coins. Excessive costs 49, while lows under 42. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.45. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.45, change for August 2.3%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.45 coins. Excessive costs are 58, while lows are in 45. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 51. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.54, change for September 20%. US to IP expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive costs earned 54, while lows earned 44. The arrived at the midpoint of costs of 50. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 0.47, change for October 13%. Dollar to Internet Computer figure for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.47 coins. Exorbitant costs earned 60, while lows earned 47. The found the middle value of cost earned 52. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.55, change for November 17%. US to IP expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.55 coins. Exorbitant costs earned 71, while lows earned 55. The found the middle value of cost 62. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.66, change for December 20%. Dollar to Internet Computer gauge for January 2026. Initially cost at 0.66 coins. Excessive costs 84, while lows in 66. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 74. The US to IP figure toward the month's end 79, change for January 19.7%. US to IP expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at 0.79 coins. Excessive costs 82, while lows on 71. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 77. The US to IP conjecture toward the month's end 0.76, change for February 3.8%. Dollar to Internet Computer conjecture for WARC 2026. At the outset cost at 0.76 coins. Excessive costs on 80, while lows on 70. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.75. The US to IP gauge toward the month's end 0.75, change for spring 13%. US to IP expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at 0.75 coins. Exorbitant costs are 95, while lows on 75. The found the middle value of cost on 84. The US to IP gauge toward the month's ends on 89, change for April 18.7%. Dollar to Internet Computer gauge for May 2026. Before all else cost at 0.89 coins. Excessive costs are